Hello, friends. Welcome to Pro Talent, and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, you are most welcome for this important module. This is CLAT 2022 form filling process. I'm going to explain in detail. Number one, I'm going to discuss about is eligibility criteria. Please go through it very carefully. I'm going to discuss about all details about eligibility. Number one. Number two, what are the documents needed? Okay, for filling the form. Number three, what are the important dates for your form filling? Number four, I'm going to discuss about, you can say, what are the important parameters, you can say, needed with respect to form filling. And number five, I'm going to fill the form in front of you so that you can get to know that what are the important points which are compulsory for you before you start filling the form. Okay, so don't fill the form before you watch this. Okay, very important. Okay, great. So my dear students, first and foremost thing is about date. Okay, so the form filling has already started. Today is the 3rd of January. The form filling has started from 1st of January. Okay, okay. The last date to apply is the 31st of March. Okay, and the exam date is on 8th of May. So do not wait till the last moment. You can fill the form, you can say, after watching this particular video. Number one. Now, and this is just an online application. There are no other, you can say, application process, and that is only through a website. Okay, do not fall prey to any wrong communication. Very standard stuff. Consortium of nlus.com, that's a website through which you are going to do it. I have put this, we can say, link to the direct form filling part on this video's description. Okay, don't miss out on it. Number two is the eligibility criteria. Now, what do you mean by eligibility criteria? Who can appear for this exam? Remember this, note this down. This year the students are having confusion because CLAT is conducting the CLAT exam, that is consortium is conducting CLAT exam twice in a year. So dosto, this May exam is for those students who are taking admission in 2022, and 18 December exam is for those who are going to take admission in 2023. So 18 December wala students are not required to fill this form. Keep in mind. Okay, I repeat one more time, 18 December wala students are not required to fill this form. Okay, now what is the eligibility? Qualifying marks are needed. So one eligibility is either you are in 12th standard right now, or you have completed 12th standard. No upper age limit. Is that comfortable? In your 12th standard, you must score minimum 45 percentage if you are in a general or OBC or PWD or NRI, PIO or OCI category, while you need minimum 40% marks if you are from SC, ST category. Clear? Great. Now, for those students who are appearing for the 12th standard now, this year, for them, they can appear for this exam. No problem. But before they join the NLU, they must submit their 12th standard marks with a minimum condition. Okay, that's number one. Number two, in case when the students are appearing for this exam and they got equal marks, how does the tie breaking activity will take place? Tie breaking will take place by a very simple process. Okay, so first they will see that what is the legal aptitude marks of those students. So let's say out of 150 marks, you got, let's say, 120. There are 3 students who got 120. Now how do they actually manage in terms of ranking? By simple, they look at the legal aptitude marks. Number one, that's the person at a higher rank. If the students are getting the same marks in the legal aptitude, then they look at higher age. If even that is the same, then it is a simple computerized draw. Okay, exam structure is very simple. 120 minutes, 150 questions. Out of 120 minutes, 150 questions are divided into this 5 sections. Okay, roughly 20 percentage is given to English, 20 percentage is given to logic, 25 percentage given to GK and current affair, 25 percentage is given to, you can say, legal aptitude, and 10 percentage is given to quant. Okay, out of 150, a good score is somewhere around 100 plus. That's a kind of good score that will help you to get into NLU. Okay, I hope it is very clear. The syllabus, the type of questions, okay, I believe we have been discussing about this for quite long period of time, so I'm not getting into that, you can say, detail about you can say this particular front. Okay, but I'm sure all of you are aware about it. It's a paragraph based. You have to read paragraph, and based on that the questions are there. Is there a negative marking? Yes, there is a negative marking of 0.25. Okay, if you commit wrong, there is a negative marking. You have not attempted a question, no negative marking. Great. Now you can say, if you are targeting at NLUs, I believe the NLUs are wonderful, you can say, universities providing you super duper infrastructure, super duper education, and super duper placements. So you can't miss out on this awesome infrastructures of this NLUs. So my dear students, get ready to prepare well for your CLAT. Okay, now some important documents are needed before you apply. Okay, so keep this in mind. Okay, don't miss out, so that you are not committing any mistakes. Number one, mobile phone, functional mobile number and email ID, so that you get OTP on your mobile number. It is OTP based system only. Okay, it is on mobile number only, so you are not going to get OTP and email. But yes, the registration is compulsory through mobile number, and email is also compulsory. Okay, and there they will also verify your email. However, mobile verification is compulsory, email verification is optional. Okay, number one. Number two, your passport size photograph, front facing passport size photograph with a back which is in a plain background. Okay, and signature ka photograph, that is what you should be keeping ready. Number four, what you should be having ready with your category certificate. Okay, if you are applying under SC, ST or OBC, relevant certificate with a competent authority which is for PWD category, a relevant certificate if you are looking at BPL category, below poverty line category. Obviously your 12th board qualifying exam details have to be ready with you, that is in terms of percentage marks or board name, everything. You should know your category, my dear students. Okay, there are few categories you should be aware about apart from general category which everyone knows. Okay, OBC, SC, ST, okay, EWS economically weaker section. I'm sure you can say the law students, law aspirants are really aware about EWS, क्योंकि काफी हल्ला चल रहा है. नीट वाले बच्चों का एडमिशन यू कैन से रुका हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ EWS कैटेगरी. यस और नो, दैट इज व्हाट यू नो. Okay, in case you don't know about it, okay, what is EWS? So it is economically weaker section. There are criteria available. You need to get a certificate for EWS. Okay, now the next part is clarity about NRI categories. That's very important. दोस्तों, you may be NRI, you may not be NRI. Okay, you may be NRI, you may not be NRI, but you can apply for NRI seats. For NRI seats, a very simple criteria needed is you should be in a position to pay the fees of NRI category seats in dollars. Okay, and you should be in a position to produce one document. That's it. Okay, so that is NRI. So when you are filling the form, star, keep that in mind. When you are filling the form, you should know whether you are interested for NRI category or not. Okay, and that is what you have to specify. If you don't specify during the CLAT form for NRI category, you cannot claim the benefit at a later stage. So at this juncture, you have to mention that whether you are interested for NRI category or not. Number one. Okay, in case you are applying for NRI category, you have to fill separate form of respective NLUs. Remember this. Okay, दोस्तों, when you are applying for CLAT form for a general SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWD category, then you are not required to fill any separate form of any respective NLUs. But when you are applying for NRI category, you must fill separate form for separate NLU. For example, let's say Gandhinagar National Law University has a NRI seats available. You have to fill a separate form for NRI. Okay, even in the NRI category, they are going to give you admission purely based on merit, based on your ranking of CLAT. Okay, that's very important. Similarly, if you are, you can say, applying for a particular domicile, दोस्तों domicile is a state-wise domicile. So if you are interested to apply for, let's say, Karnataka, that is NLS SIU Bangalore, there are Karnataka domicile seats available. Okay, for that you need to apply that you are domicile of Karnataka and you must have a certificate for domicile. You may ask me, sir, where do I get this domicile certificate from? You can get domicile certificate from Tehsildar or Talati office, from your, or Mamlatdar office, from your, you can say, respective, you can say, city. Okay, your municipal corporation or your municipality or your Gram Panchayat will give you that certificate, okay, that you are domicile of this particular state. Okay, this is very important because there are specific seats available for domicile. You can't miss out on it. Okay, is that very clear? Great. First important you can say question, sir, is there a need to fill 22 NLU preferences while filling the form? No, this is a big change in 2022 form. You are not required to, you can say, give any preference in 2022 application. In fact, there is no option to fill any NLU preference. Whatever the preferences they are asking is about test center preferences only. Okay, test center preferences only, nothing else. Okay, once the results are out and you qualify, then they will ask you to fill the NLU preferences, not right now. Okay, number one. Number two, sir, I am targeting CLAT 2022 December examination. I am in 11th standard. I am going to take admission in 2023. Okay, so do I need to fill this form? No. Okay, CLAT 2022 December examination is for 2023 admission. There will be separate communication and separate form filling process which will come. You are not eligible right now, so please don't fill this form. Okay, is that very clear? Great. Let me now take you to Consortium of NLU website. Through there we are going to fill the form and we'll see what are the important, you can say, items. Okay, is that very clear? Great. Let me move forward. So here is a website of Consortium of NLU. Keep in this mind, Consortium of NLU is the site consortium of NLUs.ac.in. Okay, I might have said .com earlier. I might have committed mistake there, but it is Consortium of NLUs.ac.in. That is a website. Okay, there you have to go to CLAT 2022. Okay, this is a website will be visible. Okay, look at here. Okay, we are going to read everything. Okay, we are going to see every aspect. Okay, here. Okay, first eligibility, we have seen it. I have already discussed about this eligibility to you. Okay, then this is for UG. Okay, this is syllabus and guide. Please go through that, the syllabus and guide. Okay, all your preparation should be revolving around it. We make a lot of content revolving around this, you can say, particular part only. Okay, question paper format, I already discussed that with you, that it is a 2-hour paper, 150 questions, negative marking is 0.25, and instructions, very important instructions. Okay, okay, the exam is an offline mode. Students are required to submit, you can say, this online form only. Consortium of NLUs.ac.in. Date of examination is on 8th of May. Okay, that is 2022, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. subject to revision if in the case of necessity. I don't think this year will have any problem, no delay, nothing will take place. Okay, okay. While you can say the Indian nationals, NRI, PIO, OCI seeking admission in either UG program shall appear for CLAT 2022. Foreign nationals need not appear for this test. Remember this. Foreign nationals are not allowed. Okay. For any information relating to 22 NLUs, there is a separate e-brochure provided on the site. Okay. Where is it? It is here in the participating university tab. Look at here. Okay. So here you get e-brochures. Every university is provided e-brochure. Please go through those e-brochures. Very important. Okay. For example, NLSIU Bangalore this year comes with, you can say, 180 seats. वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. ठीक है दोस्तों, ऐसा मतलब तगड़ा न्यूज आपको कभी नहीं सुनने को मिला होगा। बिल्कुल, कितनी सीट्स? 180 सीट्स। वंडरफुल। ओके, चलिए ग्रेट। कमिंग बैक टू दिस, I already discussed about NRI sponsored, ठीक है, that is what I have already talked about, okay, ठीक है। So दोस्तों ये सब instructions आपको पढ़नी है, ठीक है। I believe that's very easy. I'm going to explain this instructions while I'm going to fill the form, okay, ठीक है। चलिए great. So I'm going back to filling the form, ठीक है। Here on the home page, I'm once again coming back. So I have to click here. Well, to fill the form, I have to click here. I'm clicking on this, okay. That's very easy. Now when I'm clicking it, I have to put a login. So if I don't have a login, which obviously none of us will have, ठीक है, so then you have to click here on a register button. दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, आपको दिख रहा है अभी ये जो डार्क हो रहा है, ठीक है, अभी चला गया. Is that very clear? Dark, register. Click on the registration. Fill the name, fill the mobile number, fill the email ID, put your password, ठीक है, put your password, and there you get your activation on mobile. OTP आएगा and that's what you'll be getting, ठीक है. I've already done it, ठीक है. So दोस्तों मैं सीधा जा रहा हूँ फॉर्म भरने के लिए. चलिए ग्रेट, मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुका था कल, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू सी इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक न्यू थिंग और नॉट. आई डिड नॉट फिल द फर्दर फॉर्म. ओके, सो हियर आई एम डूइंग दिस. ओके, this is my number, I'm putting it. So this is what the, you can say, form filling process is done. Okay, मैंने किया था कल, मैंने मेरा एक एप्लीकेशन नंबर क्रिएट हो गया था, ठीक है. माई नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज ब्लैंक बिकॉज मैंने आगे फॉर्म भरा नहीं है, ठीक है. सो हियर व्हेन आई एम ओपनिंग इट, ठीक है. दोस्तों एक बार बैठ के फॉर्म भरने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. यू कैन पॉसिबली सेव द फॉर्म, लिव इट, possibly come back and fill the form. So that's really possible. Okay, so there is no trouble to that. Okay, edit application, ठीक है, ये रहा edit application, ठीक है. चलिए great, I'm filling the form now so that it turns out to be easy for you to understand. क्या क्या डेटा चाहिए? पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन, कम्युनिकेशन डिटेल्स, qualifying exam details, preferences for what? Preferences only for the test centers. Okay, and if in case there is a reservation, then I have to do. Okay, personal information में क्या चाहिए? I need my name, full name, ठीक है. देखिए ध्यान से, you need to put your full name as per 10+2 certificate, your date of birth, your, you can say, gender. Okay, so they are offering 3 genders, male, female, transgender. Very good. Father's name, mother's name, nationality, Indian or other, ठीक है. So if you are not Indian, then you cannot fill this form because there is no need to fill this form. Okay, then there is category. Be very careful. NRI, OCI, PIO, depending on the category. In case you are not very clear today कि आपको NRI में फॉर्म भरना है या नहीं भरना है, my suggestion is NRI टिक करके आगे बढ़ जाइए, ठीक है. आपको अलग से फॉर्म भरने की इच्छा हो, then you can fill a separate form. Okay, you have to fill a separate form later on. Is that very clear? Great, ठीक है. Select all India category which is general, OBC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Okay, ठीक है. When you are filling this scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, then you are required to fill the SC, ST, OBC का certificate, ठीक है. If you are looking at candidate is NRI sponsored category, दोस्तों ये देखिए, ये NRI रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी अलग है और NRI स्पॉन्सर्ड अलग है. ओ, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे अगर आप NRI नहीं हो तो आप उसको कुछ, मतलब इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई NRI रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी बिलो, ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू फिल दिस. इसमें आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आप यहाँ पे NRI स्पॉन्सर्ड में यस कर दीजिएगा. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन केस यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड लेटर ऑन, दैट्स अ सेपरेट इश्यू. ओके, PWD अगर है तो यस और नो कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है, और BPL है, ठीक है, तो यस और नो कर दीजिएगा. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू फिल द फॉर्म. Okay, so first I'm uploading my photograph. So when I'm filling the form, they are helping me to, you can say, crop the photo. I believe you guys are very good at it. Okay, so this is, do you want to upload? Okay, I'm uploading this. Okay, I'm uploading my signature as well. So this is also, you can possibly crop. Okay, so I'm cropping it. This is my signature which is coming up. Okay, okay, great. So I'm filling now form. Okay, I'm putting my nationality, Indian. Am I applying for NRI category? No, I'm not. ठीक है, I'm putting my category general, depending upon your you can say category, you can possibly go for it. I put general. EWS, I'm looking at EWS. No. Is there NRI sponsored category? है ना, आप यस कर दीजिए, जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, चिंता का कोई विषय नहीं है, ठीक है. PWD आई से नो, ठीक है. आई से BPL नो, ठीक है. Then they are asking select a domicile. Okay, so do I have domicile? Now is the domicile compulsory? Yes, I am putting my domicile as Gujarat. Okay, select the state. This only if you are a domicile of that state and have a relevant certificate to claim the state level reservation. If I have, तभी मुझे ये बताना है. अगर I don't have it, so do I have another option like others करके? I don't have that option. ठीक है, I don't have anything like others. Let me check one more time. Okay, not applicable. Yes, there is something called not applicable. In case you don't have a domicile of any state, okay, in case you don't have a domicile of any state, ठीक है, then you can use this not applicable. Okay, ठीक है, I'm using not applicable. I don't have a domicile certificate, so I'm not going for it. ठीक है. Okay, so then I'm saving this as a draft, so my basic communication, my basic personal information is saved. Okay, now I go to the next point, which is my address. Okay, chaliye, great. I'm putting my address. So they've asked me alternate number as well. I strongly urge everyone to have a good alternate number. जो आपके पापा मम्मी का हो, आप उसको कर दीजिएगा. Okay, ठीक है. I'm saving this as a draft. ठीक है. I'm going for the qualifying exam. 10+2. I fill the relevant information about qualifying exam. I think that's pretty good. My preferences for, you can say, test centers are simple. I'm first keeping my, you can say, Surat, my hometown. ठीक है. Okay, then I'm keeping, next one is very near to me, which is Vadodara. Then I'm keeping Ahmedabad. Okay, this is what I'm keeping, saving as a draft. ठीक है. I'm moving forward. Do I have any reservation? Oh, no. So basically I have to go one by one. So for example, are you a student of Karnataka? No. Okay. Are you a student of Telangana? I say no. This is an individual part you have to fill. Okay, ठीक है. Similarly, default reservation general NRI sponsored. Do I need JNK residents? No, I am not. So in case you are looking at JNK, please tick it. Okay, you are from JNK, then you should. Okay, so here here they are looking at just the tick. Okay, so here, are you a native of Kerala? I say no. Okay, are you native of Odisha domicile? I say no. Are you resident of Jharkhand? I say no. Are you resident of Assam? I say no. Okay, I'm just keeping all these things properly clear. Okay, here I confirm, I hereby solemnly affirm and state that all the information which I furnished is appropriate. I do hereby consent to indicate sharing the details of name, score, communication details to any third party contracted by consortium for the purpose of admission to the institutions or recruiting agency. ठीक है, तो भैया अब ये जो बात है ना, ये क्या है ये समझिए. दिस इज वन न्यू थिंग देव इंट्रोड्यूस फॉर डेटा शेयरिंग पर्पस. दोस्तों, आप अपना मोबाइल नंबर, अपना ईमेल आईडी, आपका पूरा डेटा आप किसी को दे रहे हो, कंसोर्शियम को दे रहे हो, ठीक है, एंड देन यू गिव कंसेंट. When you give consent, what will happen? Your data will be provided by consortium to colleges which are taking the score of CLAT. Okay, ठीक है. तो जैसे आपका डेटा उनके पास जाएगा, ठीक है, किसके पास जाएगा? उन कॉलेजेस, उन यूनिवर्सिटीज के पास जाएगा. आपका मोबाइल नंबर जाएगा, आपका ईमेल आईडी जाएगा, आपको फोन करेंगे, आपके घर पे एड्रेस में सब कुछ भेजेंगे. इन केस यू डू नॉट गिव कंसेंट, विच इज ओके, ठीक है, तो भाई आपका डेटा उन लोगों के पास जाएगा नहीं. इट्स योर चॉइस. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट रिकमेंडिंग एनीथिंग ऑन दिस, दैट्स योर चॉइस. ओके, मैं कंसेंट नहीं दे रहा हूं. ओके, ठीक है, आई एम सबमिटिंग द फॉर्म. ओके, कंफर्म योर एक्शन. ओके, आई एम कंफर्मिंग. ओके, ठीक है. देखिए दोस्तों, दिस इज व्हाट द कंप्लीट स्टफ, सब कुछ मेरा यहाँ पे आ चुका है. आई हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स. ठीक है, आई एम नाउ गोइंग फॉर मेकिंग अ पेमेंट. ठीक है, आई एम मेकिंग अ पेमेंट विच इज यू कैन से 5,000 रुपीज, सॉरी 4,000 रुपीज. ठीक है, डू आई नीड प्रीवियस ईयर्स पेपर? I may possibly select yes or no. I'm selecting no, I already have it, ठीक है, and I say confirm payment, ठीक है, confirm your action. Now this goes to a next page which is invoice detail 4,000 rupees. I say pay now. When I'm paying now, it is taking me to some other place which is Razorpay, जहाँ पे मुझे यहाँ पे पेमेंट करना है. ओके, ठीक है. सो आई एम पॉसिबली पुटिंग ऑल माई डिटेल्स, paying the money, and then I'll be getting all the clarity. Is that comfortable for everyone? Great. So दोस्तों, this was form filling process. ये पेमेंट के बाद आपको एक ईमेल आ जाएगा. एडमिट कार्ड जल्दी नहीं आएगा. एडमिट कार्ड विल टेक इट्स ओन टाइम, ठीक है. बट इन केस यू हैव एनी डाउट with respect to this form filling, come and send any kind of comment on this. We will be more than happy to respond all your queries in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and all the best for your preparation.